Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Pershing Elementary School, home of the Panthers. This is my third time visiting their campus here in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. And another amazing day, beautiful day outside as well. But the focus for the student assemblies today was on positivity, and the underlying sub-theme, be your best self, right? But it's easy, like we always say, to be positive on days like today. Beautiful weather outside, but sometimes when it's stormy, kind of cloudy, rainy, or if there's like a storm going on in here, figuratively speaking, in our hearts, some tough situation here at school, at home, in our lives, it's not always easy to maintain that positive attitude. But it's so important that we still try, right? And to know that things will always get brighter, and also know that there's things that we're going to go through in our lives that can make us stronger if we let them, right? So sometimes these tough experiences, that's just what they are, very tough or difficult, but they're opportunities where we can grow. And that's something that I really try to push, the underlying focus, that whenever we're feeling down, that we still keep our head up. So this is the shirt I wear for this particular program. It says keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're feeling down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To keep thinking positive no matter what, and to just keep doing our best, right? That true excellence isn't always about being the best or having to get first place 100% on everything or win the race. It's just about doing your best, right? Just giving the effort and knowing that if you do give your top effort, that usually 8, 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, you're gonna get the results that you want. If we can plant those positive thoughts in here and in here, your brain and your heart are gonna believe whatever you tell it. And the person we're gonna speak to the most in our life is ourselves. So hopefully we're telling it something very important, and also very positive, because we don't want to focus on the negativity. There's too much of that in the world anyways, so we want to be able to say, hey, we're going to really try to focus on these positive affirmations, right? Get past the limiting beliefs and really start to kind of step into our power and our true potential. And so that always ties into this idea that I bring up at every one of my assemblies, every one of my presentations, the fact that we're all true miracles, right? A lot of students had theirs traced on their hand as well. I got one of mine traced, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we truly have to believe this, because there's been a lot of students I've spoken to across this country, and even myself at times, that I didn't feel this way, And once we start to believe that, buy into that, now we can be the light to someone else's heart. So, I think the students really got that. There's a lot of pin drop moments through the heartfelt stories, the interactive exercises that we did, some of the motivational videos, the positive music, all that combined was how I'm trying to hit them, eventually at the heart level. And, for them to really respond, to keep remembering these previous messages that we've spoken on in the past, we keep building and building and building, that's huge. Right? To keep that momentum alive, and that spark alive. And similarly, for the parent session tonight, we focused on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. That even at a young age, we can start thinking about our gifts, our talents, our abilities, and start using those to go and make a difference, right? That we turn our passion, what we love to do, what makes us come alive, right, in our hearts, that internal fire, and we start to make that our mission or our purpose, our legacy, what you want to be remembered for. And hopefully helping others is a big part of that. It's not just about what can we do for ourselves, but what can we do for others, right? To start to make this world a better place, a more inclusive place, and understanding that it's people first, things second, and really doing things for the right reasons, because they're heavy on the heart, but also doing the right thing even when no one's watching, right? That's true character. And it takes courage. It takes a lot of courage to do the right thing, and not just do it for the trophy or the accolades, or to get bragging rights. It's more because it's again it's the necessary thing to do. So hopefully something touched your heart today. You definitely keep touching mine. I love coming back year after year. As always though, have a great rest of the year. Hope to see you again soon. And make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.